Hey folks, welcome back to Talk of the Town. Joining me now is Barry Levinson, who joins us from the National Mustard Museum. Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm very excited to have you on the show. I was just recently at the Mustard Museum, so I enjoyed my time very much. I sampled many different things, but for folks at home who haven't been in a while, or maybe have never been, what do you think is in store for them? Why do you suggest they come visit?
You can taste hundreds of mustards as well as see all kinds of great exhibits, pieces of mustard history, watch Mustard Piece Theater, have fun singing the Poop on You fight song. It's just a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun. And what is it that got you started in this business? What possessed you to start a mustard museum? Such an interesting thing.
Once upon a time I had a real job. I was an assistant attorney general for the state of Wisconsin. But when my beloved Red Sox lost the 1986 World Series, I was so depressed, I couldn't sleep. I went to an all-night grocery, walked up and down the aisles, and there I was in front of the mustards, and I heard a voice that called to me. It said, "If you collect us, they will come."
Oh my goodness gracious. Well, that is so cool. And I mean, really what a cool collection of different mustards, and there's all kinds of things to see. So tell folks a little bit about, what they will see when they come to this museum.
Well, you will see the world's largest collection of mustards and mustard memorabilia, nearly 5,700 different mustards from all 50 states, 70 different countries, old mustard pots, mustard tins, mustard ads, mustard artwork, all kinds of things that are just surprising, I think, for most people.
Very cool. And you guys do some events too. So do you guys have anything on the horizon as far as events go?
Oh, we do. We have National Mustard Day coming up. It's our 24th annual celebration of our tribute to the King of Condiments, and that will be Saturday, August 2nd from 10 to 4 at the Mustard Museum in Middleton. And there'll be games, live music, great food, opportunity to taste hundreds of mustards, meet some mustard makers. The French's mascot will be there. Everybody loves the French's mascot. And French's Mustard, of course, is a major sponsor of the National Mustard Museum, so they'll be there.
Excellent. And we've talked a lot about the actual shop itself, but I mean, I know there's a museum because I've been, but for folks who haven't been to the museum part, tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, there is a museum. It's actually separate. It's a separate nonprofit like most museums, and you can look at all kinds of great exhibits about mustard, mustard and medicine. You will see the famous Supreme Court mustard. I won't even tell you about that. You have to go see it.
There you go.
Mustard Piece Theater plays continually the history of mustard. You'll learn about Shakespeare and mustard because Shakespeare loved mustard. He did not write about ketchup, by the way. Never.
Yeah, no. Okay.
No, didn't do that.
And I want to ask you quick because a little birdie told me that you have tasted mustard live on air with Oprah Winfrey. Is that true?
It's true. It was about 15 years ago. She had a show about people who are passionate about what they do, and some reason they discovered us. And it turns out Oprah is a real mustard lover.
Yeah.
So we had such a blast tasting mustards with Oprah Winfrey, and still remember it, a very fond memory.
Yeah, absolutely. And I didn't want to admit it, but I remember that episode, and
oh my
it was
gosh.
Super cool.
You must have been 2 years old.
I
right?
was young, but I enjoyed it very much. And tell us really quick, so mustard, do you eat ketchup at all?
I never eat ketchup.
Okay.
I stay away from the stuff. Ketchup is now the leading cause of childhood stupidity in America.
What?
Sure. National Condiment Research Council, which is why I've written a book, a children's book, Mustard on a Pickle, so that little children will begin to appreciate mustard at a very early age. Very important. Parents, grandparents, make sure your kids get off to the right start. Have them eat mustard.
There you go. Right from the lips of Barry Levinson, who is the one and only over at the Mustard Museum. So we appreciate having you, and we appreciate all that you do over there because this is such a cool thing for folks to go visit, and a great place for folks to go try all kinds of different mustards. So
yeah, come visit. Come visit. We're open every day, 10 to 5. So hasta la mustard.
Yep, absolutely. Well, Barry, thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to that exciting event. And that's it. We're going to have to come check you out. So,
please
folks, thanks so much for joining us for Talk of the Town, and please join us next time.